Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. What is day today? Today is Monday. M1 Mon DY Day Monday 14 December 2020. Which period is this? Maths period. Okay, student. First of all, we will do the oral drills. Now we will revise number and figures. 50 to 80, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Student, now will revise backward counting 30 to 0. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Today our topic is addition. Addition means to add number or objects. Okay, students. Now we will join the sign of addition. This is a sign of addition. Okay, students. Today I am performing activity for you. Okay, students. Now we will add the pencils. Okay, 3 pencils. 1. Here we have 2 pencils. And here we have 3 pencils. Now count the pencils. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. 1, 2. Okay, students. Total now these are 5 pencils. Here we have 3 cups. Here we have 1 cup. Okay, now count the cups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now these are 4 cups. Thank you. Start the copywork. What is it today is Monday. M1 Mon DY Day Monday, comma 14th December DECE December, comma 2020. Today our topic is addition. Okay, students. 1, 2, 3. Write down 3. How many plates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 down. 6 plates. How many bowls? 1, 2. Write down 2. Students, count pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5. Students, how many ice creams? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down 4. Thank you.